for us. So we thank God for the points. Yeah.
Now, rally driver Tinashe Gatimu says her ambition in this year's WRC Safari Rally will be getting to the podium at the completion of the 5 days. The youngster, who has upgraded her car to a Ford Fiesta R2, will be taking part in the African Rally Championship in the Safari Rally and will be seeking to accrue more points and a better performance compared to last year. Safari Rally raves off on 12th March in Naivasha, Nakuru County.
The plan remains the same. First of all, to get to the finish line. And also this year we have a new car, the Ford Fiesta R2. It should be interesting to drive it for the first time in Safari. It's a sequential, so different from the regular hitch pattern. All you have to do is push and pull for the gears, and we'll see how it goes. The preparations have been ongoing well. As you can see behind us, we're here at the garage, just getting everything ready. Also our own personal physical and mental preparations, exercising in the morning. It also helps with getting the mind ready, because when you push your body beyond what it thinks it can handle, the mind is like, okay, we can do more.
Finish line. Please come out there. Let them come and cheer us on. Let them wait for us on the finish line. We see you at Hell's Gate at the end of the 5 days. I'm calling it 7 because we still need to go out to Recce. Then we start again on Thursday all the way until Sunday. So my expectation and our prayer is that we finish again as usual as we've done the previous years, and we bring our trophies home.
Moving on, NBA Africa has launched